Hi guys, and this is a new video about the TikTok application. So today we will show you how to log out of your TikTok account. Let's go to the TikTok app, and right now to be able to log out, to switch off your account, let's tap on the three lines at the top of the screen and choose settings and privacy option. Watch it the second one. Later let's scroll down the whole list and tap on the last option like logout. Later let's pick on the logout feature and choose the logout option again. Not now. And wait a minute please. Right now we have our second account, and after tapping on the top bar, we can check that we don't have the current the first account as we had it before. So guys, from now on I hope that you know how to smoothly and in a good way switch out of your user in TikTok. Don't forget about likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and also on TikTok, HardReset.Info. Good luck, goodbye!